The content creator market has reached its breaking point. For years, we've been told that to get professional results, we need to carry 5-pound camera rigs or settle for the overprocessed clinical look of a smartphone. But a shift is happening. While everyone was distracted by the spec wars of full-frame monsters, Nikon was quietly working on a disruptor. A camera that takes the soul of a cinema rig and shrinks it into something that fits in your jacket pocket. This is the Nikon Z30 II. It isn't just a sequel. It's a total reimagining of what a budget-friendly vlogging camera can be in 2026. For those of you who have felt limited by the heating issues of Sony or the lack of professional video tools in Canon's entry-level lineup, you need to listen very closely, because Nikon didn't just update the Z30. They injected it with Red's DNA. This is the yellow-red revolution, and it's about to make high-end content creation accessible to everyone. Let's talk about the sensor, because this is where the Nikon Z30 II truly separates itself from the pack. While the industry standard for entry-level APS-C has hovered around 24 megapixels for years, Nikon has jumped to a new 26.1 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. But the megapixel count is only half the story. This sensor features a significantly faster readout speed than its predecessor, effectively killing the jelly effect, or rolling shutter, that plagues so many vlogging cameras when you're walking and talking. When you move the camera quickly, the vertical lines stay vertical. It sounds like a small detail until you realize it's the difference between a video that looks like a shaky phone clip and one that looks like a professional broadcast. But the real power lies in the processor. The Z30 II is now powered by the XP7, the same engine found in the flagship Nikon Z9 and Z8. This is a massive overdelivery for a camera at this price point. It means the Z30 II isn't just faster, it's smarter. The autofocus system has been completely overhauled with deep learning technology. It doesn't just track eyes, it recognizes cats, dogs, birds, cars, bikes, and planes. For a solo creator, this is your invisible cameraman. You can set the camera on a tripod, walk 10 feet away, and be 100% confident that the focus is locked on your eye, even if you're wearing glasses or moving through difficult lighting. It's sticky, in a way that entry-level Nikons never were before. Now let's address the elephant in the room: video quality. The original Z30 was a solid 4K performer, but the Z30 II is a cinematic powerhouse. We are looking at uncropped 4K at 60 frames per second. Most cameras in this class force a heavy crop when you hit 60 frames per second, making your wide-angle lenses look zoomed in and cramped. The Z30 II gives you the full width of the sensor, allowing you to capture that epic, wide-angle travel B-roll with the fluid motion of 60p. But it goes deeper. For the first time in a camera of this size, Nikon has included 10-bit N-Log internally. For the color graders out there, this is the holy grail. You are no longer baking in your look. You are capturing a flat, data-rich file that you can push and pull in Premiere or Resolve to get that specific cinematic film look. And we have to talk about the Red influence. Since Nikon's acquisition of the cinema giant Red, we've been waiting to see that tech trickle down. In the Z30 II, we see it in the color